Welcome back to Euro Truck Simulator 2 with me, Chilly Smith, driving for Sweet Truck All, job number 108.
Come and join me on the journey for a sweet truck haul. On the road is where you find me, just give me a call. Jump in beside me and strap yourself in. A toot of the horn, the adventures begin.
Drive me late into the night, while we can see the end inside.
Currently in Rhodes.
Simulator, come take a
Casino,
ride.
that's a long one.
Euro Truck Simulator, like a mother
Been there.
trucking family. Euro Truck
Long one.
Simulator makes you feel
Another
so
long one.
good inside.
I want to go to the
Euro
other island
Truck
across the way,
Simulator, let's
really.
go for a ride.
Tricolour, no, Athens. Tricolour. Do 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 do.
Come and join me if you can, reversing up
Been there.
inside my man.
Casino's
Euro
nice,
Truck
actually.
Simulator, come and take a ride with me. Euro Truck Simulator, like a mother trucking family. Euro Truck Simulator makes you feel so good
Let's
inside.
go
Euro Truck
with a
Simulator,
ventilation
let's go for a
shaft to Larissa. Let's take job.
What are we waiting for?
Wow, why is the engine already on?
Through the streets of Europe in career mode. Can't you see I'm
Engine shouldn't be on.
pulling on a massive load?
We can't be
Right, where we
late,
going?
I keep my
Down
eyes on
there.
the
What
clock.
we got on the back?
While
Ooh,
searching for
air
a
conditioning,
parking
right, looks good.
spot.
Right, let's get on. Lights, camera, action.
Overnight inside your man, and in the morning start again. And driving through the streets of Rome
From the comfort of your home.
Euro Truck Simulator, come take a ride with
Get
me.
on with it.
Euro Truck Simulator, like a mother
Honk,
trucking
honk.
family. Euro Truck Simulator makes you feel so good inside. Euro Truck Simulator, let's go for a ride.
Turn left.
Beastman. Is he gonna stop? Piggy, piggy, piggy.
Come and join me on a journey for sweet truck
Truck
haul.
haul.
On the road is where you find me, just give me the call.
Get ready
Jump
to
in
turn left.
beside me and strap yourself
Turn
in.
left.
Honk on the horn.
Let the adventures begin.
Oh yeah, let the adventures begin. Right, welcome back to another edition of Euro Truck Simulator 2. Currently in Rhodes. Got quite a long journey by the looks of it. So, strap yourselves in.
Keep right.
I'll keep
Then
right.
turn right.
Looks like we've got some sharp bends coming up here. 50, that. Bum, 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 bum. Come on. Come on then.
Turn right.
Oh, right, okay. That right. Come on then. Honk honk. There we go. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Hey Jeremy, if you want any cash, get out. Nice wide swing.
Get ready to turn left.
We can turn left up here. It's
Turn
Savannah.
left.
We don't want to hit anything coming up other side of the road. Oh, gravy. This is cool, isn't it? PC service there. What we got here? Don't know what that says. Tesco's. There's a quarry there, look, on the left. There's something else on the right. Two places here. Zeus Choice. Lots of shops. Let's get this bloody trucking job done. It's going to take us till Friday evening. 19 hours. Oh, there's a stop here for a camera. Should we do it? Should we do it? It's dark, don't see much. I'll block the road a minute. I'll turn the engine off, I think. Okay. Oh, he's just crashed into me. Put into it. There we go. Fire engine. Did you crash into the back of me? Did you see it? You damaged me. 1%. Mother trucker. And you pulled in to take in view. Little camera spot down there. I'm not going down there. Jesus. Jesus. I'd have to go down there with a little truck. We're nothing on the back. Nothing at all. Not even a little small thing. Oh, we're going straight on. Straight on. Right on. Airport to the right. Yeah. Oh, curbed it. Bum, bum, bum. Come on then. Ah, traffic lights. Looks like we've got some sort of traffic lights. Is that all it is? Proceed with caution. Straight on. Got green to go. Oh right, yeah, of course you're going to change as you get there. Of course you are. That's the height of a good traffic light. I can see it. That's like a T. I hope it's a long ferry trip. Yeah, Greece is awesome. So much more detail. Apparently if I like this, I'm gonna love pro mods.
How many times do I have to tell you to slow down?
Yeah, you're right, Doug. Sorry, buddy. Got a bit carried. Turning right up here in a minute. Real good. And that road
Go
sweeper.
straight.
Awesome. I used to drive those in Leicester. Gully wagons.
Get ready to turn right.
Sweepers and drain suckers. Drain sucker.
Turn right.
Okay, I'm turning right. I love the cars parked on the sides. A bit more real. Whoa.
Get ready to turn right.
Policeman. No, it's a taxi man. It's a taxi man. It's a taxi man. Oh, I'm here. I'm at a boat. Straight on. That boat there? Looks like it. Let me in. Oh yeah. Where Where's his spot? Well, it's right at the end. It's a big boat, isn't it? Where we're going to? Larissa. It'll show me, won't it? It'll show me. The job's not. Boat's not going to Larissa. The job's in Larissa. There's only one place to go, Piraeus. So, we've not been to Athens. What? Oh, there's a job to Athens as well. No, it said I've not been anywhere else, that's wrong. I'm just going to Piraeus. It's
Never
13.
mind. I'll find a new route.
13-hour journey, that. That's right, Doug, and it's what I needed to go. Right, we've got another 300 kilometres to go now. Sorry, swinging my tea. Let's get off this boat. We want to go back on ourselves. Look at these boats. Oh, we're going back over there. I don't want to go off the end, do I? Which way am I supposed to be going? That way.
Get ready to turn left. Turn left.
Let's do it. Right. 300 kilometres to
Keep
go.
right, and then turn right.
Turning right.
Turn right.
Battle of Salamis, 480 BC. What if that's a game that's coming out?
Keep right, and then turn right.
I'm going right. Oh yeah.
Keep left, and then turn left.
Oh yeah. Look at that, all the way through the lights. That's what
Turn
we'd like
left.
to see. Woohoo! Let's get rolling. Slow down, you're gonna help somebody. We're gonna get there though, don't we? Don't want to hang around. I've come to find that Greece is quite slow and narrow and tight and hilly. So 297 kilometres don't sound much. How many hotel rest places? Cool. I suppose it is a port. I suppose if you're doing a convoy and you had like 6 in your convoy, you could all sleep in the same spot. Makes sense, doesn't it? Never done convoy before. Never been online before. Not in this game. People crossing, beware. No effort to cross, really. To be honest. Right, let's try and keep up speed. I'm assuming it's two-way traffic. Not 100%. So you're going to cut in front of me and crash? Because I let off there, isn't it? It's coming out now. I'm overtaking them all on the inside. Silly boys. Graffiti. Football pitch up there. Soccer. I don't know what they call football in Greece. Grease ball. This is cool. That was a long boat ride, 12 hours. Didn't look that far, did it? lose time if I keep doing that. You'll get there just before midnight. Hopefully, just before midnight. Got a right turn coming up in a minute. You want to stop?
Keep right, and then exit right.
Irby. Tiva. LFC. Now.
Exit right.
Something like that. 50. Yeah.
Get ready to turn right.
It said 50 then. Changed to 8. Come on
Turn
then.
right.
Come on. Change. Yeah. It's bad boy around the corner. Curved it. Oh dear. Not good. So far, I've had someone going to the back of me while I was having a look at video.
Go straight.
Come on. Yeah. Woohoo.
Keep right.
Keep right.
Then
Come on.
turn right.
Flick off. Come on, mate. Turn to green.
Turn right.
Come on. Come on. Oh, almost on a roll. It's a lot easier to steer now. I've got my steering wheel on fast. It's more sensitive now. Got some jerky on the wheel. That's faux show. Just got to keep going. It's going to take a while. I've only done 12 kilometres since I last looked. Good echoes off the walls. Bit like the UK though. Grey.
Keep right. And then exit right.
Why do they always make these walls grey? Why don't they put a bit of colour on them?
Exit
America
right.
they do it. It's a lot more pleasant on the eye. Can't see it being 80 all the way up here. 60, that's about right. Okay, stop flicky clicky now. Clicky. Look at this. Overpass. More like it. You're gonna hurt somebody. I'm not. Alright, we get in there. Plenty of fuel. We've got plenty of legs. I think we're not tired. Hopefully we've got a bit more of an 80 mile an hour stretch where we can burn some time off. Yeah, we're all good at 85. I'm happy with 85. As long as Douglas is. We are now at 800,000 euros. I did say at $1 million I was going to buy a truck, but I don't know if I'll do that. So I'd rather enjoy driving like this. Everyone else has the truck. I want to be freelance. I want to play when I want to play. I don't want to be in charge of anybody. I'm happy to be responsible for somebody else's truck. That way I get to drive lots of different truckos. Well, this is a good stretch. I like it along here. We're not losing time. If anything, we've gained a couple of minutes. So I reckon it's got nearly 4 hours driving to go. It's about 20 minutes, I think. 15 minutes real time. Real time, baby. Real time. It's going to moan in a minute because I'm going 86. No? That's good. So I want to try and keep the speed up because obviously the quicker we get there, I think we get more bonus. Definitely going to be on time.
Caution.
Yeah.
You're exceeding the speed limit.
Oh, that's a bit of a heavy brake, that. It's not heavy on the back. Sort of skiddy. Jeep. Hung hung. As nighttime falls in sunny Greece, not a cloud in the sky. But it gets quite cold at night, you know. It's hot, so hot in the daytime. Toilet if you use shit. No, alright. Wouldn't want to go in there, would you? Right, dodgy fuckers in there. So then people in the van. There's still people in the van. That's mental. It will full up. Tour over the Greek islands. It's coming back. On Rhodes. Never been. I'd like not many. I haven't seen any Colosseums or anything. I thought I might see some sort of Grecian monuments, but no, not yet. Anyway. Maybe the wrong side of the island or Greece. Is it the Acropolis? That sort of thing. Is that right? I don't know. It's probably in Italy. Sounds Greek. Burning down the minutes as well as the kilometres. That would just gained literally 10 minutes just by going that extra couple of kilometres an hour fast. About 2-3 miles an hour basically. Sort of differences. So when you go downhill, it starts moaning. Sign here saying something. 80. That's all we're going, isn't it? Yeah, we're all good. Tunnel. Policeman! Don't want to go too fast. Stay in lane. Stay in lane. There he is. Honk honk. Piggy, piggy, piggy. Popo. It's the Popo. Policeman, 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 Babylon. Popo, 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 popo. Yeah, Greece looks really small, but when you're driving
Going
it,
to hit something.
it's quite long-winded. Oh. Which one we going? That one there. $20. You let me through. Come on. Oh yeah. Anything on my left? Yes, it's a car. Thanks, buddy. Very kind of you. And away we go. Speed cameras up here. 139 clicks to go. Don't need it in 10th gear. 23, 23, 22 now. It was 28. Sure it was 38. Coming off here. Not saying anything, Doug. No, I'm not. That's why he's not saying anything, because I haven't got to do anything. That chucking in that to truck. 86. Slow down a bit, mate. Just ease off the gas a little bit, because we must be going downhill to go that speed. We don't want no policeman giving us a ticket. I had one of them for ages. Be careful if there's a policeman behind us. As soon as the guy over that, it will go, and give me a fine, I think. Stay on this road. Still staying at 80. I was hoping it'd be a down the middle one on motorways. It looked quite far. One of the highest paid jobs of the day. Nearly 8,000, I think. So not bad for a day's work, is it? Really? You take that real life, won't you? Ooh, a bit quick. Not as quick as him though. He must have had a good rest on the boat. He's not tired at all. And this must hold a lot of fuel. How many gears has it got? I'm going to say loads. Hold on. 12. No harm, no foul. Oh, we've got some lights here, look. Let's see where we're going now for a bit. He's alright, getting past me, so it's room. He's just got to accelerate. That's a policeman. No, it's not. It's not. Don't think it is. Another one. Choco's 20. Roll it in. Roll it out. Shake it all about. Oh yeah. 71 kilometers to go. Oh, 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 what do you know? What do you know? Hope parking's easy. Get this video wrapped up. Job 108. Cranking up now. Cut me around the, might as well stick around Greece and get a bit of that done, and then go through Bosnia way. I've not been that way yet. Apparently they're quite new maps as well. So looking forward to that. It must be a big hello. Right, we're going to be overtaking these because I'm quicker. What's he doing? Bastard. Idiot. Where's he going as well? Not sure why they're going in that lane. If I'm honest. Ah, they're probably going somewhere different to me.
You're going too fast.
I know. I'm just trying to get past him. He ain't going nowhere. Don't know why he pulled out in the first place. Like real life
You even
truckers.
listen to me.
Sometimes. If you tell me, I do. Sometimes you don't speak, Dougie. No, you just shout and it upsets me. Not. 22 clicks.
Keep right, and then exit right.
Right. Oh. Turn the engine off.
Exit right.
Reckons we're good for 80. What am I going to say? It says 70 there. Almost there, and I got no hair. Sure, I'm being followed by the Popo, you know. Might just be a white car. Right, where am I going? I'm going to come in off Larissa. That's where we're going.
Get ready to turn right.
Rhodes side. Rhodes. 70.
Turn right.
Here. Just around the corner, look. Ideal. Where you want it, boy? Where you want your air conditioning? You in it. Whether it is. 60. Ventilation shaft.
At the roundabout, take the third exit.
Yeah, I'm just waiting to see where he goes. Could have gone anywhere that, couldn't it really? Let's face it.
Exit now.
17 to the middle of nowhere. Confident. Gained 15 minutes there.
Get ready to turn left.
You can lose all that though on the parking, can't I? Greece has been hard so far, parking. It is.
Turn left.
Let me in then. Thank you.
It's all over now.
Oh baby, it's all over now. Something like that. Slate, wasn't it? Oh, we got a tricky one over there, look. Where? Oh my god, where? Looks like it's round the back. Yeah. Okay, let's try and find it. It's not there. It's not there. It's not there. Is it in there? I can't find it. Over here? Okay. Right. Let's work this out. I know what I could do. Right. This is what I'm doing. I'm going all the way round. Like this. Yep, that's what I want to do. I'll swing it up there without hitting the wall. And get that straight there. I can see it behind me. That's the plan. Wish me luck. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Helps if you're going the right way. Right, straighten up a bit. See where we are. Bit more. Straighten up. See where we are. That way, that way, that way, that way. That way. That's it. Bit more, bit more, bit more. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Now spin it. Go on, round the bend. Round that bend, round that bend. Now straight. Come on. Can't see shite. Let's have a look. Gone too far. Right. Let's come round, don't I? Now straighten up. Back in cab. Oh, I don't know, you know. Hold a bit. Have a look around the back. Alright, I've still got coke in my way. Round. That's it, now back. So hard. I wouldn't want it to go that way, I want it to go that way. I need to go out a bit more, don't I? Now back. Gone the wrong way again. And this is hard. No denying. Almost had it and stick with the same way back. Right. Stop it! Right, let's get back in the cab. I'm gonna miss it. Ah, so hard. That don't help at all. That not really help at all. I'm on the right side of the coat thing for a start. Not quite. I've gone the wrong way again. How many times am I going the wrong way? Every single time. Because I'm looking in the wrong direction. That's why. Getting round, getting round, getting round, getting round, all the way, all the way, all the way. Come on, 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 come on. That's more like it. Mirror. Whatever we gained, we've lost. I need to get in that outside view. I can't believe we've hit it again. How can it be, Stefan? Alright, get it straight. Oh my lord. Yeah. This is brilliant. I love this game. This is why I love this game. Come on. swing it in. Come on, baby. You're gonna give me it. Give me it, give me it, give me it. Come on. Oh yeah. Ha ha. Well, it took a while to park, but that was difficult. Awesome. Got there in the end. Getting up to level 24. Almost there. Thank you for joining me for another episode. I believe that was job 108. Still in Greece. Lightning. Like, subscribe. Leave a comment. So I know you're not all robot bots. And I'll catch you in the next one.